Ohayou gozaimasu, what's poppin' boys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix two of the biggest issues people have in Overwatch 2 right now. One being game server connection failed and the second being unexpected server error. For this fix, you practically do not need to download anything, it is 100% safe and it will work if the error is on your end. However, if it's just Blizzard server, there's pretty much nothing you can do about it, but wait. Mainly the PlayStation and Xbox players are getting this error, although it is not impossible for PC users to get it as well. I'll do my best to be short and sweet, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so first things first, what we need to do is just be sure and restart our internet router. That way we'll refresh our connection in case there is a problem with our internet, because it could be that there is. After we've done that, just to be sure, we'll go ahead and restart the device we're playing Overwatch 2 on. So whether you're playing on Xbox, PlayStation or PC, doesn't matter, just make sure you restart it and then we can go ahead and go into the next step. The next step would be for those people that do not have access to their internet router, meaning they just simply cannot restart it for whatever reason. I'm going to hop onto the desktop and show you how to do it simple and easy if that's the case. I've hopped on the desktop real quick to show all the PC users how they can restart their router if they don't have accessibility to it for whatever reason. Obviously in real life you can just go to it and there's the restart button on it, but if you cannot do that for whatever reason, you can use this. So go to search, type in cmd, command prompt will pop up. You want to type in ipconfig, simple as that, and then you'll see the default gateway all the way down. You want to copy this IP address, you want to go into your internet browser. It doesn't matter which internet browser you're using, it could even be Internet Explorer, and you want to paste in the search bar, in the URL bar I mean, not the Google and stuff like that. So usernames, if you do not know it, it's usually admin, and password is usually admin or blank. That depends on your router, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the username and password and log in. Okay, so now that I've done that, what I want to do basically on this page, you should have something like management and diagnosis. Keep in mind your page is not going to look like this. It all depends on what router you have. So it's usually going to be under system management or something similar. So here I have system management, and what I want to do is basically click on reboot management and I want to press on reboot. There's also this reset settings, but do not use this settings. It will restart all the values to factory settings, and that's not what you want to do. You want to use the reboot option, not the reset option. After that, pretty much your internet will go off for a minute or two. Do not panic, that is completely normal since it's basically restarting and so on. As I said, after you've done that, simply launch the game and everything should be okay. However, if it isn't, I have bad news and good news for you guys. The only possible thing that could be happening other than your internet not working properly is that the servers are overloaded. I mean, it makes sense. A lot of people are trying to play Overwatch 2 and it's just way too much, especially since last night servers just opened up. So it is bound to be pretty chaotic. Bunch of people trying to log in the same time and play the game, etc. So it is pretty normal for some of you to get this error. And that also explains why the servers on the past launches of closed beta were laggy as hell. Those were the bad news. The good news is that it usually shouldn't last more than an hour, that you cannot log in. As the message says, please wait and try again. So wait 10 to 30 minutes, and if it doesn't work out, restart the game and repeat. And that is all you can do since the problem isn't even on your end. Anyway, another pair of bad news. Overwatch 2 servers are currently being DDoSed, and that just makes it hell of a lot harder to even play the game properly. But fear not, all you have to do is be patient. It won't last long until all of this clears up. There's no way Blizzard will let their big launch sink like that. Please let me know in the comments if this video helped you out and what are your opinions on Overwatch 2 so far. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and peace out.